Hi friends, once again you're most welcome in our YouTube channel like nrresearchcentre. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about the new upcoming phone like Hmd Pulse Pro. And also friends, if we're talking about the Hmd Pulse series, then you can got Hmd Pulse and Hmd Pulse Plus. Both mobile phone is under 15,000 rupees. And also if we talk about the Hmd Pulse Pro, then you can got under 20,000 rupees. So friends, if you firstly visit our channel, then please friends subscribe our channel. If you like or really like our video, then you can also comment me for any queries and also for like our video. So friends, let's talk about the Hmd Pulse Pro. So friends, if you're talking about this mobile phone has thickness, then you can got 8.55 mm has been thickness of this mobile phone. Then you can got and also 196 grams this mobile phone has weight, and this is not a lot of lightweight, and it is in the normal weight category. If you talk about the dust resistance or water resistance of IP rating, then you can got IP52 about this mobile phone has IP rating. And also if you talk about the display quality of this mobile phone, then you can got 6.65 inch has a good IPS LCD display. And if you talk about the resolution of this mobile phone, then you can got 720 into 1612 pixel of this mobile phone has resolution of this mobile phone pixel resolution, and also SD plus has support of this mobile phone resolution. Not this skin has been not support of Full HD plus. And if you're talking about the refresh rate of this mobile phone, then you can got 90 hertz refresh rate, and also 480 nits has brightness of this mobile phone. And if you talk about the mobile phone has color like black ocean, and also glacier green, and also twilight purple, like 3 color has of this mobile phone. And also if you talk about the pixel density of the mobile phone, then you can got 265 has been 265 ppi, like a pixel per inch pixel density. And if you talk about the Android version of the mobile phone, then you can got Android version in this mobile phone. And also if you talk about the processor, Unisoc like T6606 of this mobile phone processor. And also if you talk about the RAM capacity of the mobile phone, then you can got 4 GB RAM, also 128 GB has been internal, and also dual camera like 50 megapixel and also 2 megapixel. And if you talk about the front camera of the mobile phone, then you can got 50 megapixel. I mean, this is the two rear camera and a single front camera. And also if you talk about the battery capacity of this smartphone, you can got not a lot of good battery like 5000 mAh, and also 20 watt has fast charger. Like if you talk about the Wi-Fi version of this mobile phone, then you can got Wi-Fi 5.0 and also BT version 5.0. If you're talking about the 5G bands, then this mobile phone has been not supporting like 5G in India. And also this mobile phone is 4G phone, not a 5G phone. So if you're talking about the fingerprint sensor portion, then I have already told you this is the HD plus display, not full HD plus. So this mobile phone has been not supporting on the screen fingerprint sensor. This is the 5-side fingerprint sensor position. And if you talk about the price range of this mobile phone, then price range is not official. This is the expected price like 16,090 rupees in Indian price. This is not official price of this mobile phone. And also so launching date is expected near about 3 July in 2024. So friends, I hope you like these specification of this mobile phone, and also if you really like our video. So friends, if you really like our video, then friends please subscribe our channel and also leave a comment for any query. And also if any query has, and also if you any other query about my video and about any things, then you can also comment me. I will make a video of about your problem and also about your query. So friends, bye bye, see you, take care.